Hey there, Lacey here with the Sweet Pea Chef, and if you love salads, I have some good news for you. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make 5 delicious and easy homemade salad dressing recipes. They're gonna be easy to make, done within minutes, and they're gonna be fully unrefined, so you can be feeling good about what you're putting on your salad. No need to buy that overly processed, high sugar, yucky stuff from the store anymore. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with one of the most popular salad dressings out there, and that is a ranch dressing. We're gonna make a homemade, clean ranch dressing that you can feel good about putting all over your salad. All you need is a mixing bowl and a whisk to make this salad. It's super easy. So into our mixing bowl, we're gonna add some full-fat plain Greek yogurt, unsweetened almond milk, or you can use any milk of your choice. I prefer unsweetened almond milk, apple cider vinegar, some dried dill weed, garlic powder. If you want to add fresh garlic, you can. I prefer to have dried garlic in my salad dressings because then you don't have that bite of raw garlic. But if you like that, change this out for some minced garlic. Some coconut sugar and some sea salt. And then just whisk until smooth. And now you have a delicious, creamy, and cool ranch dressing that you can feel good about putting on your salad. Also, if you want to avoid Greek yogurt because you just don't like the texture or you want to be dairy-free, you can replace it with any unsweetened yogurt recipe, whether it's dairy-free, vegan, whatever you like, and that's going to have that extra texture that's going to really thicken everything up. So no need for a Greek yogurt, you can replace it with another type of yogurt that you prefer. All right, so now we're gonna make one of my all-time favorite salad dressing recipes. I just had this one last night. It is so good. OMG, this is amazing. It's a honey mustard salad dressing, and it's so easy, just 4 ingredients. So in your mixing bowl, we're gonna add in some full-fat plain Greek yogurt, some unrefined yellow mustard, raw honey, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Just mix this all together until it's smooth. I find a whisk is the best. And then you have a homemade honey mustard dressing that is just to die for. This honey mustard dressing is just so easy and so vibrant with its flavors, and it only requires 4 ingredients, so I am such a fan. All right, you know we can't get too far without making a salad dressing with some avocados because it's just a perfect addition to a salad dressing. So let's make an avocado cilantro lime dressing that is so easy, you just blend it on up, and it is so creamy and delicious. So in your blender, we're gonna add avocado, full-fat plain Greek yogurt, unsweetened almond milk, or any milk of your choice, fresh cilantro, garlic powder, sea salt, and some freshly squeezed lime juice. Then we're gonna blend all of this together until it's fully smooth. You may need to wait a little bit to make sure all that cilantro breaks down. If you find that it's not pourable like a salad dressing should be, you can add in a little bit more milk and then blend again until it gets to the right consistency. This avocado dressing is so delicious and so creamy and is perfect for cobs. I use it on my steak cob recipe, which is really good, and you can get the link for it in the description below too. Next, I'm gonna show you how to make a honey lemon vinaigrette that is so easy and so yummy. I use it on my quinoa and lentil salad, and it's just perfection. So easy too. So all you have to do in a mixing bowl is add some freshly squeezed lemon juice, some fresh lemon zest, a little raw honey, Dijon mustard, sea salt, ground black pepper, and some olive oil. Then whisk this together until it's fully emulsified and you have yourself a delicious honey lemon vinaigrette that is so good. The combo of the honey and the lemon has this like tart and sweetness to it, and it's just so flavorful and vibrant and perfect for a salad. It's so good. For this recipe, if you wanted to keep it vegan, you could replace the raw honey with some pure maple syrup. That'll keep it vegan. It won't taste quite the same, but it'll be vegan and still a very delicious maple syrup vinaigrette for you. Next, we're gonna make a yummy sesame ginger dressing with fresh ginger, and it's just so easy to make. Love this dressing. So in a blender, we're gonna add in some olive oil, followed by rice vinegar, low sodium soy sauce, some whole garlic cloves, fresh peeled ginger, peanut butter. If you wanted, you could substitute the peanut butter with almond butter or tahini, anything that's gonna really add a little bit of fat to this recipe and then also make it creamy. That's what we're looking for. Some raw honey and some sesame oil. Then blend this all together until it's fully smooth and pureed and all of that ginger is broken up. I love this sesame ginger recipe because it's just so vibrant and just makes everything pop when you eat it. So good. All of these homemade salad dressing recipes will store in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Just keep them in an airtight container. If you want the ones that I'm using right now, which I love and are great for salad dressings and other things, I'll leave the link for them below in the description and you can get them for yourself too. All right, so now you have 5 delicious, easy, go-to salad dressing recipes, so you have no excuse to go make delicious salads at home. Let me know which one is your favorite or which one you're gonna make first, or if there's one that I missed and you just really want me to add into another video and so we can make 5 more salad dressing recipes, I'm all about it. So let me know in the comments below. I've also shared some potential recipes that you can use these salad dressings on in the links below. So definitely check those out as well. And definitely give me a thumbs up on this video if you love salad dressings, you enjoyed the video, and you just can't wait to go make them. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.